Hey everyone, so we are doing Savannah winter tops haul. I tried to include basic as well as dressier tops in here. So the very first one we have is this grey cable knit top. It comes in this one size and I got this for rupees 594. This one is one of my favorites from the haul. It is more of an elevated basic top due to the sleeves it has. I love the sleeve part of it. It instantly makes it extremely stylish and the quality is amazing in such price, and it comes in these two colors and it is extremely soft, so would definitely give this a solid 10 on 10. Then we have this tie-up pullover t-shirt in the shade dark grey. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 553. It has this soft fleece lining, feels extremely soft and warm. This is more of a dressier top, perfect for professional settings as well. These tie-up sweaters, pullovers are very trendy these days and the quality is also nice. So overall, I would rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Next up we have is this olive green top. It comes in this one size only and I got this for rupees 592. Love the olive green color it has, and it is a basic turtleneck, not so warm like the other two I've showed, and also it comes in these 4 different colors. It is quite long in length, so overall would rate this a solid 8 out of 10. Next we have is this button knit top in the color apricot. It comes in this one size only and I got this for rupees 483. I love the apricot color of this. It looks very classy and it is more of an elevated basic top because of these button detailing. Again, not that warm, but the quality is amazing. So it comes in these two colors. Overall, I would rate this a solid 8 out of 10. Next up we have is this button knit top in the shade khaki. It comes in this one size only and I got this for rupees 792. I love the color of this. It says it is khaki, but it is more of an oatmeal color, which I find more classier than the khaki color. I actually wanted this in yellow, but the color wasn't available at that time, so I got this one. But I love this too. It is more of an elevated basic top and it is the softest and very delicate, like extremely delicate. Not so warm though. It comes in these 4 colors, so overall would rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Then we have this tie-up knit top in the shade fuchsia. It comes in this one size only and I got this for rupees 1090. The color is not as bright as it appears in the picture, which is disappointing actually. Rest it comes with this scarf. Again, this is quite trending these days. I like the long sleeves it has. It comes in these 2 colors. It is medium warm. I feel the price could have been a bit less, but overall would rate this a solid 7 out of 10. Okay, last up we have is this one shoulder knit top in the shade pink. It comes in this one size and I got this for rupees 890. So I love the color of this. This is very pretty pastel pink color. It is again more of an elevated basic top and it is extremely soft. It fits really well, but it is quite see-through, which is really disappointing because I really love how it fits and how soft it is. But anyways, it comes in these 4 colors. So overall would rate this 6 out of 10. So these were all the warm tops I got from Savannah. Do let me know which one you like the most. We'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.